Topic for today's session is missing data. So what is missing data? So data is not always available. So the missing data are defined as values so that are not available. So it would be meaningful if they are observed. So missing data can be anything from missing sequence, incomplete features, file missing, information incomplete, data entry error, etc. So missing data may be due to the equipment malfunction. So most of the data set in the real world containing the missing data. So missing data may be need to be inferred. So before you can use the data with missing data fields, you need to transform this field so they can be used for analysis and modeling. So missing values in the data. The concept of missing value is important to understand that in order to successful manage the data. So if the missing values are not handled properly by the customers or researchers, then she may end up with a drawing inaccurate inference about the data. So there are always missing values in the real data set. So the missing values may have an impact on modeling. They can destroy it. So some tools ignoring the missing values. So other can use the some metric to fill in the replacement. So due to the improper handling, the result obtained by the customer or researcher will differ from one where the missing values are present. So how to handle the missing data? So ignore the records so that use only cases with all the values. So ignore the attributes with missing values. It will fill the missing values manually. So you can use the global constant to fill in that missing values. Use the attribute mean to fill that missing value. So use the most probable values to fill in that missing values. So inference based such as Bayesian formula or decision tree. So identify the relationship among the variables, nearest neighbor estimator. So the types of the missing data, there are three types. So missing completely at random, missing at random, missing not at a random. So these are the types of missing data. So first one is missing completely at random. So when we saw a data or missing completely at random, so we mean that so missingness has nothing to do with observation being studied. So that is completely observed variable x and partly missing value as y. So for example, so the weighted scale, so that can run out of the batteries. A question must be might be the lost in the post or the bed sample, so might be damaged in the lab. So this NCAR is an idea, so but unreasonable assumptions. So generally the data are regarded as being with NCAR when the data are missing by design because of this equipment failure or because of the sample or lost in the transit or technically unsatisfied. So the advantages of this data so that are in NCR is that analysis is remains unbiased. So example for this NCR, so where the meaningless has no relation to data set the variable x and y. So in that fourth column in the downloads field it may be a NA. So that means the missing because of data limit is fully utilized. So it might be able to predict from other variables. So in that meaningness, it is not related to X or Y, but some other reason of Z. So next type is missing at random. So when we saw the data are missing at random, so we mean that missing data on a partly missing variable y is related to some other completely observed variable x in the analysis model, but not to the value of y itself. So it is not specially related to the missing information. So for example, so if a child does not attend any examination because the child is ill, so this might be predictable from other data. So we have about this child health, but it would not be related to what we would have examined had the child not been ill. Some may think that MAR does not present a problem. So MAR does not mean that missing data can be ignored. So the example, so in that meaningless as the relation to the data set variable x but not with y. So it can have the other relation as well as z. So in that fourth column, so the download speed is NA. So when the data limit is usages is reached 100%, so the missing has occurred. So the missing is depend on other observed variables. So it might be able to predict using the observed variables. So missing not at a random. So if the character of the data so do not meet those NCAR or MAR, then they fall into the category of missing not at random. So when data are missing not at a random means, so the meaningless is specially related to what is missing. Example, so the person does not attend a drug test because the person took the drugs night before. A person did not take their English fluency test due to his poor English language skill. So the cases of MNAR, so data are problematic. So the only way to obtain unbiased estimation of these parameters in such cases is to the model. So the missing data, so but not require the proper understanding and domain knowledge of the missing variables. So the example for this one, so the meaningless has direct relation to variable y. So it can have other relation as well as x and z. So in the download speed is missing value has a relation to download the speed, data limit usages and some other unknown variables. So the value is missing beyond the data limit. So the usage is ranges is greater than or equal to 75%, but we can not predict the values.
That's it for today. If you have any queries, you can contact their mail ID which is displayed on your screen. Thank you.